قال لي والله سيدي وزاد القرآن يقول في جحيل فرنسي خينيت دنجي يخش أنا قلت دبت خينيت تو رأي خدي your name, excuse me?
Enzo.
Enzo.
Enzo, yes.
Okay, thank you. My name is Amin.
Okay.
His name Azad.
Azad?
Yes. Okay, go ahead. كلامك.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
That's great.
Great.
I liked it.
You like it?
A lot.
What's your idea about it? It's like what?
I don't really know. Like,
You can ask your heart, for example. It's like what? Because maybe you listen to music so
I
much.
don't know. I listen to lots of music types, you know, rap, hard rock.
So his voice like what? Is it like except emotional, like something like
I think the voice and the song get
in your heart,
yes, is in his heart.
Energy and peaceful.
But I'm not really good in English, but I think he has a really good voice and
Emotional.
emotionally,
Yeah.
it don't really make me feel something because I'm not a great
In English. I understand.
and I don't understand this language, so
Okay, I will explain to you what he said to you.
yeah, why not?
It was Quran.
Quran?
Quran.
Yes, the book.
The book
Yes,
of
yes,
Quran.
yes.
So it's God words. It's
Yes.
God words. So when someone read it, it's not my words and your words.
It's the words
Speech.
of
It's,
God.
it's speech of God. So if everyone listen it, he will accept something different of any words and speeches, and so especially if the song, the voice is nice.
So the song is sent to make me feel like the world is not what is really is.
Yeah. Take your time. It's okay.
What? Yes.
Take your time and make it.
On va passer la guillemette.
So you like it?
Yes.
Okay. He can read it for you other verses if you like it,
Yeah, but
or if you are busy.
no, I have time for you, so I can listen it.
بخ اشتكي دي بيجي ده آيات دي بس دنگي خوب لنك خوش.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
You can record it if you want.
قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد
إخلاص يجي بيجي.
لكم دينكم ولي دين.
إخلاص يجي.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
You know, I don't understand what he is saying, but that's great. That's really great. You do this lots of time, or
Yeah,
it's,
he read every night. You know, we are in the month of Ramadan,
yes.
so we pray, and during pray he read Quran.
And so you share the words of God during Ramadan.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you for giving us your time.
Oh, no problem, no
I
problem.
appreciate appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Don't worry, it's not a great thing that I've done. I just listened, and
It's
I think that's really great.
It's great for us. Thank you so much.